Hey there, Tiffany Thomas with wealthytiffany.com, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how the wealthy become wealthy. And before we dive in, make sure and click that subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the little bell to get notified on when I post new videos, and don't forget to like and share this video. And if you guys are serious about becoming financially free, then I want you to click the link below this video in the description, and I teach you exactly how you can do that. So don't forget to click that link. Okay, so let's dive in and talk about how the wealthy become wealthy, because I'm sure we all want to increase our wealth, right? So let me explain to you how most people do this, how most people run their money, run their finances. So basically they have a very simple funnel. So it is like this. It's just straight up and down, and they have their income. So they have their paycheck from work, and this comes in the top. And it's going straight into their funnel. So they just have usually one stream of income coming in, and it's usually a job that they have. So they're going to work from 9 to 5, so they actually have to be there to create their income. And then once they have their income that goes in, then they have all of their lifestyle expenses. So they have just these expenses that they're paying for. So they might have, like a phone bill, or they might have their rent, or they might have their Netflix, all of these different expenses. And this is how it works. So they have their income that comes in, they just have one source of income, and they use that to pay for their lifestyle, to pay for their vacations, to pay for all of their bills, any extra things that they want, and they don't really have a savings or an investment plan set up. But let me show you what the wealthy do. So the wealthy has a funnel as well, but it's a little bit different of a funnel. So they have a larger opening at the top, kind of like this. And then they have another vehicle here. So the wealthy have this funnel at the top, and they have their income coming in. And then they also have other incomes coming in. So they might have some sort of affiliate plan that they might have set up. So they're getting money that way. Or they might have an online course that they've created. So they're having money come in from their course that they created. Or they have, what else? They have, maybe ads that they're running on their website. So they have all of these different income sources coming in at the top. So it's not just one source that's coming in. And then when it comes through the funnel, they have investments that they're putting this money into. So they might have some stocks, or they might have real estate. They might have some rental properties. They have, just other vehicles that are creating them even more income because they're investing their money into that. And then once they invest their money into this, it's creating more income. So we're going to come back up here to the top of the funnel, and that is going to come back in here to put more income into their funnel. And then they do have, of course, they're going to have their expenses, right? So their expenses are coming out, they want to pay their mortgage payment, or they want to pay their phone bill. And, they have their normal expenses, but they have this nice vehicle right here that is creating them more income because they're investing their money. They don't just have this straight funnel that they're just paying for their expenses. right? And they also have all of these income sources. So there's not just one income source that they have. And that is how the wealthy are becoming wealthy. They have multiple streams of income. They have their investment vehicles that they use to create even more income, which is passive income. They're not even working for that. And then they have their regular expenses, and they can pay their expenses through their investment vehicles. They don't just have that one source of income, like over here, to pay for all of their expenses. And this is how the wealthy are becoming wealthy. They have multiple sources of income, and from what I've heard, it's usually 5 to 7 income sources. So they have a lot of different things that are creating income for them, and then they're also investing their money. They're making their money work for them, which is really important. So I wanted to show you this little picture. And if you are here right now with just one source of income, and then you have all of your expenses that you're paying for with your one source of income, and you're just on repeat. So you're basically having to trade time for dollars. You have to go into work, or maybe you have your own business, but you still have to be there physically to do the work. Maybe you're a consultant. So you still have to be doing the work. You're still trading time for dollars. And then you have all of your expenses that you're paying for, your lifestyle that you want to live. And you keep repeating that, and you're stuck. Maybe you're just stuck in that cycle, living paycheck to paycheck, living month to month on one source of income. You don't really have any investments that are creating money for you, that are making your money work for you. And you're just kind of stuck in this rut. Instead of this side, where you have multiple sources of income funneling through, and you have your investment vehicles right here. So you have these investments that are creating more income for you. So you're not actually trading time for dollars. You've set up this in a way where you have passive income, or you have residual income that's coming in, which is helping you to become wealthy. And that is what is paying for your expenses. So you can still have the lifestyle you want, but you don't have to always trade time for dollars in order to get that. So hopefully this little visual helps you, really see exactly how you can build more wealth, how you can become wealthier. And if you guys want help with this, I can definitely help. I can show you exactly how to create another source of income that's going to be passive and have residual income. I can also show you how to invest your money so it works for you. So if you are interested in those things, then I want you to click the link below this video, and I will show you exactly how to do that. I want to help you. I want to educate you and help you on these so that you can become wealthier, and that just means that you can achieve financial freedom, right? If that is something you are working toward, is financial freedom instead of always having to trade time for dollars, I can definitely help you with that. And maybe even just looking at this type of visual helps you understand, okay, I need to start creating more sources of income, and I need to figure out how to invest my money, which anyone can do. If you have a willingness to learn and you're willing to take action, you can definitely do it. It doesn't have to be super hard, and that's one thing that I love. I keep my investments very simple. They're not complicated, and they still give me a high return. I can still have this passive income coming back in, which is fantastic. So if you guys are ready for that, then make sure and click the link below this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button, and share this video with someone else who needs this information. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.